Many people who visit Weifang first think of kites, those colorful symbols floating across the sky. But if you head south, leaving behind the bustling traffic and modern commercial districts, you suddenly step into a place that feels strangely quiet and out of time. The air itself seems to retain the scent of coal smoke from steam locomotives a century ago. This is Fangzi. This is Fangzi town. Today is the weekend, and I brought my child here for a visit. Compared with crowded tourist attractions, I would rather let him touch these bricks and stones with his own hands. Join me as we walk through streets filtered by time and uncover the hidden side of history. Everything here began with a greedy search for black gold, coal. In 1898, German survey teams landed at Jiaoji Bay and fixed their sights on Fangzi. Along with measuring instruments and blueprints, they brought the cold logic of the Industrial Revolution. Beneath this land, they found the mineral resources that would change the fate of the village. The rapid expansion of the Jiaoji Railway followed. When the first German steam locomotive arrived at Fangzi Station, the once quiet Chinese village was forced into the orbit of global industrial civilization. German-style buildings, planned miners' housing, and administrative compounds were planted into Chinese soil. Architecture here was more than shelter. It was a symbol of power. First came German rule, followed by Japanese occupation. For more than half a century, Fangzi became a center for resource extraction in central Shandong. Local residents in long gowns and foreign engineers in hats crossed paths on these streets. Even today, traces of those cultural and institutional collisions remain hidden in every red brick. Coal took away underground wealth and left irreversible scars. As resources dried up, prosperity faded, mines became ruins, and elegant buildings turned into neglected relics. Silence settled over the town. Ironically, the arrival of film crews brought a second turning point. They needed oldness, a polished and curated version of the past. Supply cooperatives, photo studios, and station shops became both preserved history and modern imagination. Fangzi town turned into a stage where reality and performance blurred. I often wonder, what is history? Is it dates are corded in archives, architectural styles studied by historians, or the ordinary people still living here? Fangzi town is fortunate. It was neither demolished nor frozen into a lifeless museum. Instead, it exists in a folded state, connecting the industrial dreams of a century ago with today's artistic life.
快看地雷，这就是地雷。有啥好打？有啥好害怕的？登记啊！哦。
When we search for historical roots, we are searching for proof of how we came from turbulent times and how we understand our origins. Fangzi town is not static. It is a living negative constantly being reconstructed. Whether as glamorous film sets or weathered bricks in reality, they record fragments of time that were once broken and later pieced together again.
你看，看这里有个对古城，这就是潍坊。齐国的国王住的地方，对，也对，也对。这是护城河，你看蓝色的。看这边是郊外的村落。山洞里有个火车。哦，山洞。这就是煤矿。
I'm Echo. Thank you for joining me in exploring the hidden side of history. See you next time.